Let us look at the fundamental differences between a tort and a crime. A tort is a civil wrong covered under civil laws, and a crime is a criminal wrong covered under criminal laws. A tort is a civil wrong that causes harm or loss to an individual, directly affecting that individual. On the other hand, a crime is a violation of law that is considered as an offense against the state or against the society in general. The primary purpose of tort law is to provide relief or compensation to the injured party. In contrast, the purpose of criminal law is to maintain public order and safety, and to punish and to deter wrongful conduct. In a tort case, the parties involved are the plaintiff, which is the injured party, versus the defendant, who is the alleged wrongdoer. For a crime, it is the prosecution, representing the state or the government, against the defendant, who is the accused. In a tort, the burden of proof is the preponderance of evidence, meaning that it has to be proven that it is more likely than not that the wrong has occurred. But for a crime, it must be proven beyond reasonable doubt, which is a much higher standard. Negligence, defamation, trespass, and nuisance are examples of torts. Theft, assault, murder, and fraud are examples of crimes. Under tort law, the legal proceedings are initiated by the injured party, whereas in criminal law, the legal proceedings are initiated by the state or the government. In tort cases, the plaintiff and the defendant can hire lawyers to represent them, whereas in criminal cases, the prosecutor represents the state and the defendant has the right to a lawyer, which means that if the defendant cannot afford to hire a lawyer, the court will appoint a legal aid lawyer. Remedies for torts include damages, compensation, or injunctions. For crimes, the punishments can be imprisonment, fines, community service, or probation. And finally, a civil suit may be withdrawn at any time if the parties agree to a compromise. In a criminal case, since the offense is considered to be a crime against the society in general, there is no question of compromise, unless the crime is compoundable and such a provision is specifically provided for by the law.